Hey everyone and welcome. Today, I will show you how to get WhatsApp View Once photos and videos on Android or iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is download the Beeper app. Then open the Beeper app. Click the WhatsApp option. And then it will ask you to type your phone number. Then you will receive a code. You can then go to your WhatsApp and go press the top right corner the three buttons. And then go to your linked devices. Now you want to click the link a device. And then click the button at the bottom with link with phone number instead. And then you need to enter the code. And after that, you'll now be able to log in. So now once you receive a view once photo or video on your WhatsApp, you can also view it in this unknown app, which is the Beeper app. So now you can also download the photo through it. And that's how you get your photos and videos in view once.